If you're over 60 and you've lost strength, gained weight around the middle, or find stairs harder than they used to be, this is not decline you have to accept. It's a measurable, well-studied problem, and it has a measurable, well-studied fix. No supplements, no hype, just what the research actually shows works. After age 50, you lose muscle at roughly 1 to 2% a year. Strength drops even faster, accelerating to 3% a year after 60, according to research published in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle. This is called sarcopenia, and inactivity is the single biggest multiplier. The good news, confirmed across dozens of clinical trials, sarcopenia is reversible. It responds to training at any age, including your 70s and 80s. Forget 10,000 steps a day. That number was never based on science. It came from a 1960s marketing campaign in Japan. Real data tells a different story. A 2022 Lancet Public Health meta-analysis of over 47,000 adults found that for people over 60, mortality risk kept dropping until about 6,000 to 8,000 steps a day. A separate 2023 study in JACC found meaningful benefits starting at just 2,600 steps. The takeaway: walking to a target of 6,000 to 7,000 steps a day captures nearly all the benefit. You don't need to run, you need to move consistently. Walking protects your heart. It does very little to rebuild lost muscle. For that, your muscles need to work against resistance. And research shows that resistance doesn't have to mean a gym or a barbell. A systematic review in adults 60+ found that resistance-type training reliably improved strength, physical function, and even depression scores, and simple bodyweight movements produce the same mechanical loading a muscle needs to grow. The mechanism is straightforward. Muscle responds to being challenged at any age. A 70-year-old's muscle fibers grow from the same stimulus as a 20-year-old's. Sit-to-stands from a chair, wall push-ups, step-ups, or holding a squat against a wall. 2 to 3 sessions a week is enough to start reversing the decline. There is also a catch worth knowing. A 2022 meta-analysis found that strength gains built over just a few months start reversing after about 6 months without training. This isn't a program you finish, it's a habit you keep. The standard protein guideline, about 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, was calculated from studies on young adults and was never designed for people over 60. The Protege Expert Panel, a body of geriatric and nutrition researchers, recommends older adults aim for 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, roughly 50% more than the standard guideline, because aging muscle responds more weakly to protein than younger muscle does. In practice, eggs, dal, paneer, fish, chicken, yogurt, soya, whey, spread across 3 meals rather than loaded into one. This single change measurably slows muscle loss even without added exercise, though it works best combined with resistance training. Falls are the single biggest threat to independence in your 70s and beyond. Roughly 1 in 4 adults over 65 reportedly falls each year. You don't need a class or special training to protect against this. The Otago Exercise Program, a set of simple strength and balance moves developed in New Zealand, has been tested in over 100 studies and consistently cuts falls by 35 to 40% in older adults. The moves themselves are things you already know how to do. Standing on one leg near a wall, walking heel to toe in a straight line, and standing up from a chair without using your hands. 10 minutes most days of the week is the entire program. It's the single cheapest, simplest thing on this list, and one of the best evidenced. Every study above shares one finding: consistency matters more than intensity. People who try to fix decades of inactivity in 2 aggressive weeks get injured or burn out, and then stop entirely. People who walk most days, do their bodyweight strength moves twice a week, and eat enough protein, for months rather than days, are the ones whose scans and blood work actually change. This is not about becoming an athlete at 62. It's about giving your body the minimum consistent signal it needs to stop losing ground and start rebuilding it. Age 60 is not a wall, it's a decision point. Walk daily. Do bodyweight strength moves twice a week. Eat enough protein. Add balance work. Keep doing it. That's the entire science-backed plan, no product, no gimmick, just what 40 years of research on aging bodies actually shows. If you liked this list and want more real picks, subscribe to the Underrated list.